Pro Christmas brand of Christmas lights are the go-to choice for pro installers, businesses, and DIY Christmas enthusiasts. These lights offer a premium experience for anyone looking to light up for the holidays or special events. But have you ever wondered how professional grade Christmas lights are actually made? I'm Jason Woodward, and I've spent nearly 30 years in the Christmas industry, in the past 15 years traveling the world to make sure our lights and decorations are top quality and the factories we use are adhering to our high standards, as well as maintaining a safe and healthy work environment for their team members. Recently, we filmed some of the behind-the-scenes action at one of our light set factories so we could share what the manufacturing process looks like for professional-grade Christmas lights. As you'll see, these factories are clean, very well organized, and the workers are focused on producing high-quality, professional-grade light sets. Now let's take a closer look at the behind-the-scenes process of creating our top-selling brand of Christmas lights, Pro Christmas.
Our factory partner has an organized daily and weekly plan, which helps ensure the details are correct for every light set. A team member is dedicated to each step of the manufacturing process, beginning with the handling of the raw materials. This is the material used to create green wire on light sets. This raw material creates lenses for blue 5mm wide angle conical lights. From there, electrical components are installed into the lens. Light pieces are tumbled and completed to be assembled onto the wires and rectifiers. Wire created with insulated copper and rectifiers are added together with the bulb lenses, molded together in a single piece. Sealing these components is an important part of a commercial Christmas light set, helping the sensitive LEDs stand up against outdoor elements. The light set is created with a wire twister. From there, a team member bundles the lights to prepare them for plugs. Male plugs are created from an assembly line. Female plugs, however, are finished by hand. Rectifiers are another important part of commercial Christmas lights, helping to prevent flickering and prolong the life of LED lights. Those are molded onto the light set with our Pro Christmas logo and date of manufacture. With a bit of final soldering, final electrical components are added to the light set. Every light set is tested for proper connections. And then, more testing ensures that the light sets are perfect and ready to perform. The lights are ready to be bagged or balled and then boxed up for shipment.
I hope you enjoy seeing some of the behind-the-scenes action at one of our light set factories. Producing top-quality professional-grade Christmas lights requires more precision, a higher quality team, and a factory that is well-run and well-organized. We're one of the few Christmas suppliers that spend time at nearly every factory we work with. This has helped us maintain the highest quality level of products in the industry. It's also helped us build strong relationships with our suppliers. We have more than 10,000 products available on our website. Whether you install Christmas lights professionally or you're a homeowner or commercial customer, we have the lights and accessories and decorations to elevate your holiday decorating to the next level. Be sure and visit us at christmasdesigners.com for all of your holiday project needs. Be sure and check out our next video in this series where we'll explore the process of making our Pro Christmas C9 bulbs, another essential element for creating a stunning display. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you brighten up your next Christmas lighting project.